In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage expenses using QuickBooks with Intuit. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to fine-tune your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps with ease and clarity. Let's get started by heading over to QuickBooks. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage by entering the URL or using a saved bookmark for quick access. Once you're on the homepage, you'll locate a variety of options meant to streamline your financial processes. After reaching the QuickBooks homepage, the next step is to click on the Expense tab. This tab is your gateway to managing all types of expenses efficiently within the QuickBooks system. The Expense section allows you to track where your money is going, which is critical for maintaining healthy business finances. Once you click there, look for the Payee field. Clicking on Payee helps you specify who you're paying, a crucial detail that ensures your records are accurate and that no payment is overlooked. The following step requires you to proceed to the payment account. Clicking here allows you to determine which of your bank or cash accounts the payment should be deducted from. This step is vital in keeping your financial accounts balanced and appropriately categorized. Next up is setting the payment date. By specifying the correct date, you ensure your records match up accurately with your actual transactions, aiding in timely cash flow assessments. Now, move on to the payment method option. This is where you'll define how the payment is made. Whether you're using cash, a check, or another method, selecting the right option here helps with accurate categorization and financial tracking. If you choose cash, simply click on cash as your payment method. This option will prepare you for prompt payments and keep your cash records precise. Next, locate the ref number field and give it a click. This allows you to enter any reference numbers associated with the payment, which is especially useful for identifying specific transactions and maintaining organized records. Then, proceed to click on the Permit Number field. This might be necessary if your payment requires any permits, so fill in the details to keep everything in compliance. Finally, with all fields filled out, the last step is to click on Save. Saving your work ensures all details you've entered are securely stored within QuickBooks, allowing you to revisit and track the transaction whenever needed without losing vital information. That wraps up our guide on managing expenses in QuickBooks with Intuit. By following these straightforward steps, you can manage your business finances effectively and keep your records precise and up to date. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, managing your expenses is not just about entering data. It's about making informed financial decisions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care and happy bookkeeping.